How to hide your likes from the Friends section on Instagram Reels on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop your activity from showing up on other people's feeds. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. From there, let me show you. If your account is set to public, tap on Private Account to switch it to private. At this stage, switching to a private account will stop your likes and activity from appearing in the Friends section of other people's Reels feed. Following this, if you want to keep your account public but still hide your likes, go back to Settings and Privacy. Once done, scroll down and tap on Like and Share counts. From there, tap on Likes and toggle on Hide Likes to stop the number of likes from being visible on your posts and activity. Following this, scroll through the options and toggle off anything related to showing your activity or interactions to others. Here's an important note. Instagram's Friends Reels section is designed to show content your connections are engaging with. Even after adjusting these settings, it may take some time for the changes to fully reflect across the platform. Man, that's it. If this guide helped you hide your likes from the Instagram Friends section, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.